My name's Alana.
And I'm Cornell. We got in touch with Luke last year and we got him out to the house. We had a nice cup of coffee with him and we went through all of our plans, our ideas. We had drawn up some sketches on what we wanted, and that's how we started the process with Luke. You expect sometimes a not so great thing with everything that you hear, and I think for us to have gone through this, being still quite happy on the other side of it has been a really good experience for us. We were thinking, how are we going to do something that's in keeping with the house, but also fresh and modern and something that suits us.
And a little bit of us.
Yes. One of the benefits we found working with Callery Building was that they've got existing relationships with a lot of other people in the industry, one of which is Beck with Fabel Designs. So he was able to bring her along and to get that design input from Beck right from the beginning for us. And I think having the builder and the designer work together right from the beginning meant that a lot of potential issues was avoided for us in future.